Professional cleaners have specific techniques for every room in your house. These insider tips will cut your cleaning time in half and give you better results. Most people clean randomly and waste time backtracking. Professionals follow a strategic room-by-room system that's faster, more thorough, and prevents re-cleaning the same spots. Here are the room-by-room secrets. Kitchen. Start with the sink. It's your cleaning hub. Bathroom. Top to bottom always, ceiling to floor prevents recontamination. Bedroom. Change sheets first, then dust while particles settle. Living room. Vacuum furniture before floors to catch falling debris. Pro secret. Clean clockwise around each room so you never miss a spot. Follow these room-specific strategies and you'll finish faster with professional-level results. Work smarter, not harder. That's how the pros do it every single day. Want professional results without learning all the techniques? Our trained team knows exactly how to clean every room efficiently and thoroughly. You relax while we work. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit bearbroscleaning.com.